Have you ever wondered why you feel tired, stressed, or unhappy even when nothing seems wrong? The truth is, your mental strength is not destroyed in one day. It slowly disappears because of small daily habits. Many people don't even realize they are hurting their own minds every single day. These habits may seem normal, but over time, they can steal your confidence, peace, focus, and happiness. The good news is that once you recognize them, you can begin changing them. In this video, we'll explore 10 habits that destroy your mental strength and what you can do instead to build a healthier, stronger mind. Stay until the end because the last habit is one that millions of people struggle with every day without realizing it. 1. Constantly comparing yourself to others. One of the fastest ways to destroy your mental health is by constantly comparing yourself to other people. Social media makes this habit even worse. Every day, you see people showing their vacations, expensive cars, perfect relationships, dream jobs, and happy moments. After watching these posts, you may start believing everyone else is living a better life than you. But here's the truth. You are only seeing their highlights, not their struggles. Everyone has problems. Everyone has fears. Everyone has bad days. They simply don't post those moments online. When you compare your real life to someone else's best moments, you will always feel behind. Comparison creates feelings of jealousy, creates insecurity. It lowers confidence. Eventually, it convinces you that you're not good enough. Instead of comparing yourself to others, compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Did you learn something new? Did you become a little kinder? Did you improve even one small habit? That is real progress. Remember, life is not a race. Everyone has a different journey and a different timeline. Focus on your own path. 2. Negative self-talk. The person you talk to the most is yourself. Unfortunately, many people become their own worst enemy. They constantly say things like, "I can't do this. I'm not smart enough. I always fail. I'm ugly. No one likes me." At first, these may seem like harmless thoughts, but your brain listens. The more often you repeat these negative words, the more your brain starts believing them. Eventually, those thoughts become your reality. Imagine if someone followed you all day repeating negative comments. You would probably feel exhausted. Yet many people do this to themselves every single day. Your words have power. Instead of saying, "I always fail," try saying, "I'm still learning." Instead of, "I'm not good enough," say, "I'm improving every day." Positive thinking doesn't mean pretending everything is perfect. It means choosing thoughts that help you grow instead of holding you back. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would give a close friend. 3. Living in constant stress. Stress is a normal part of life, but living in constant stress is dangerous. Many people wake up already worrying. They rush through breakfast. They check emails immediately. They think about bills, deadlines, family problems, future fears. Then they repeat the same cycle every day. Over time, constant stress affects both the mind and body. It becomes harder to sleep, harder to focus, harder to enjoy life. Your brain never gets a chance to rest. Imagine driving a car at full speed without ever stopping. Sooner or later, the engine will break. Your mind works the same way. Give yourself permission to slow down. Take short breaks. Go outside. Take deep breaths. Spend time doing something you enjoy. Rest is not laziness. Rest is part of staying mentally healthy. 4. Holding on to the past. Many people keep replaying painful memories over and over again. Past mistakes, failed relationships, lost opportunities, embarrassing moments. Instead of moving forward, they keep looking backward. The past cannot be changed. No matter how much you think about it, yesterday will never come back. But many people let yesterday control today. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Every failure teaches experience. Every challenge makes you stronger if you learn from it. Don't carry yesterday's pain into today's opportunities. Learn. Forgive yourself. Keep moving. Your future deserves more attention than your past. 5. Spending too much time with negative people. The people around you shape your mindset more than you realize. If you spend time with people who constantly complain, criticize, judge others, spread negativity, soon you'll begin thinking the same way. Negativity is contagious. Just like positive people inspire you to dream bigger, negative people slowly drain your energy. They make every opportunity seem impossible. Every challenge seems hopeless. Every success seems temporary. Pay attention to how you feel after spending time with someone. Do you feel motivated or exhausted? Choose relationships that encourage growth. Spend more time with people who support your goals, celebrate your success, and believe in your potential. Protecting your mental health sometimes means protecting your environment. 6. Ignoring your physical health. Your mind and body are connected. Many people think mental health only depends on thoughts and emotions, but your daily physical habits play a huge role in how you feel mentally. If you eat unhealthy food every day, sleep only a few hours, never exercise, and spend all day sitting, your brain starts to suffer too. Poor sleep can make you feel anxious. Too much junk food can affect your mood. Lack of movement can lower your energy and motivation. Imagine trying to drive a car without giving it fuel or regular maintenance. It won't perform well for long. Your brain works the same way. You don't need to become a fitness expert overnight. Start with small changes. Take a 20-minute walk. Drink more water. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Stretch your body every morning. Try to sleep 7 to 8 hours each night. These simple habits may seem small, but together they have a powerful effect on your mental well-being. When your body feels stronger, your mind often becomes stronger too. Taking care of yourself is not selfish. It is one of the best investments you can make. 7. Overthinking everything. Have you ever replayed the same conversation again and again? Maybe you wondered, did I say the wrong thing? What if they don't like me? What if I fail? What if everything goes wrong? This is called overthinking. Instead of solving problems, overthinking creates new ones. It fills your mind with fear about situations that may never happen. The more you overthink, the more difficult it becomes to make decisions. Even small choices begin to feel overwhelming. Your brain becomes trapped in endless circles of worry. Successful people don't have all the answers. They simply avoid getting stuck in endless thinking. They gather information, make the best decision they can, then move forward. Remember this, thinking helps, overthinking hurts. Whenever you catch yourself imagining the worst possible outcome, ask yourself, do I have proof that this will happen? Most of the time, the answer is no. Focus on facts instead of fears. Action reduces anxiety far better than endless thinking. 8. Always trying to please everyone. Many people believe they must keep everyone happy. They say yes when they want to say no. They ignore their own needs. They avoid speaking honestly because they fear disappointing others. First, this may seem kind, but over time it becomes exhausting. You begin living for other people's approval instead of your own happiness. No matter how hard you try, you will never please everyone. Some people will misunderstand you. Some will criticize you. Others may never appreciate your efforts. And that's okay. Your job is not to make everyone happy. Your job is to live with honesty, kindness, and self-respect. Learning to say no is not rude. It is healthy. Healthy boundaries protect your time, protect your energy, protect your peace. The people who truly care about you will respect your boundaries. Remember, every time you say yes to something that drains you, you may be saying no to your own well-being. Choose wisely. 9. Filling every quiet moment with screens. Look around almost anywhere. People are checking their phones while eating, waiting in line, walking, before sleeping, even during conversations. Many people cannot spend 5 quiet minutes without reaching for a screen. While technology brings many benefits, constant screen time can overwhelm your brain. Your mind never gets a chance to slow down. Every notification demands your attention. Every video pulls you into another distraction. Every scroll fills your brain with more information. Eventually, your attention becomes weaker. Your stress increases. Your ability to focus decreases. Sometimes your mind doesn't need more information. It needs silence. Try putting your phone away for a while. Take a walk without headphones. Sit quietly with a cup of tea. Read a book. Watch the sunset. Talk to someone face to face. These peaceful moments allow your brain to recover. Silence is not empty. It gives your mind space to breathe. The more you control your technology, the less it controls you. 10. Never asking for help. Many people believe asking for help is a sign of weakness, so they keep everything inside. Their worries, their fears, their sadness, their stress. They smile in public while struggling in private. But carrying every problem alone becomes heavier over time. Even the strongest people need support. Think about professional athletes. They have coaches, doctors, trainers, teammates. They don't succeed alone. Life works the same way. Talking to a trusted friend can bring relief. Speaking with a family member may help you see a new solution. Sometimes a counselor or mental health professional can provide guidance that changes your life. Asking for help doesn't mean you have failed. It means you are wise enough to recognize that healing often happens together. There is incredible strength in saying, "I need support." Never let pride stop you from protecting your mental health. You deserve help just as much as anyone else. Your mental health is shaped by the choices you make every single day. Small habits may not seem important at first, but over weeks, months, and years, they become the foundation of your mindset and your quality of life. The good news is that you don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one habit. Practice it consistently, then move on to the next. Every positive step, no matter how small, brings you closer to a calmer mind, greater confidence, and a happier life. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments which habit you want to break first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need this reminder today. Sometimes one small change can lead to a completely different life.